Welcome to Healthy Conversation. English article A and the objective questions and answers for children part 1. Fill in the blanks with A and or the. Raju wants dash packet of biscuits. Raju wants a packet of biscuits. My friend is taking dash cold drink. My friend is taking a cold drink. He is a dash artist. He is an artist. He has painted dash elephant. He has painted an elephant. Do you want to take a dash cup of milk? Do you want to take a cup of milk? There is a dash aeroplane flying in the sky. There is an aeroplane flying in the sky. The carpenter is making dash furniture. The carpenter is making a furniture. The girls are sitting on a dash bed. The girls are sitting on a bed. My father is a dash doctor. My father is a doctor. There are 7 days in dash week. There are 7 days in the week. Dash moon is hidden behind dash clouds. The moon is hidden behind the clouds. Dash sky is blue. The sky is blue. Dash Ganga is a dash sacred river. The Ganga is a sacred river. Dash owl is a dash night bird. An owl is a night bird. He shot dash arrow. He shot an arrow. Dash boy plays ball. The boy plays ball. Dash Taj Mahal is in Agra. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Dash sun rises in dash east. The sun rises in the east. Dash Ramayana is holy book. The Ramayana is holy book. He is dash European. He is an European. Tomorrow is dash holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. Subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!